Do you looking for the high voltage version for the 2263 and longer wire version? Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to introduce the SB-2265, the high voltage low profile to you guys. So this one is a SB-2265. It's a brushless low profile servo and it's in black edition. And this servo with special design for 1.8 on-roll electric, because before we have 2263, there's a 6 servo, and this one is a high voltage, so you can accept an 8.4 volt. And the speed for this servo 17 kilogram, and the speed is 0.07. It's very high speed and high torque. And this one is also accept Sanwa SSR mode. So if you need a high response, this one is also you can use. And for the 2263, the wire, the cable only 5 centimeters. And this one, because used for 1.8, designed for 1.8, so the wire, the cable will be around 20 centimeters. If you play the FF, the 110 FF, you need a longer wire. You also can choose the 2265. It will fit your car very well. And the low profile is very compact size. It's only 26 on the high. And this servo already in the market. Please contact with our local distributor and visit SAVOX website, Team SAVOX, for more information. Thank you.